This is the Kincardine record. It's Wednesday, August 17th, and I'm down here along Lake Huron at the bottom of the 8th of Huron-Kinloss. And there's this really weird cloud formation coming in. Looks like we're in for a storm. Had a bit of cool weather, cooled off a bit there, but the hot temperatures are coming back in again for one more run. It's supposed to be highs of 28 tomorrow, Celsius, and 29 the next day. Oh. It's like we're in for a little bit of light display, a little laser light show here. So, heading out of the storm, it's the Kincardine record, capturing the weather.